In today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick and really easy way to make a countdown inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So once we've launched Adobe Premiere Pro, we need to begin by creating a brand new transparent video. So we'll go to New Item on the bottom left and press Transparent Video. Now press OK on this new transparent video window, and we'll drag that onto Video Layer 2. Now we'll go into the Effects tab on the left of Premiere and we're going to search for Timecode. Now drop Timecode on top of the transparent video. Now you can see this timecode has been generated on top of our transparent video, but the numbers we're presented with are a little bit random, so we need to go and adjust these settings. So in the Timecode tab, we can turn off the field symbol, so we'll turn that off. And if we go down to Format, we can change this from SMPTE to frames, to feet and frames, or feet and frames 35mm, but for now we'll keep this to SMPTE. Now this is the most important part. In timecode source, we want to change this from media to generate. Now this will set our timecode back to 0, and moving on from here we need to change the time display to the frame rate of our video. So if your video is 24 frames per second, then set this to 24. If you have 50 frames per second, then set this to 50. So you want to match your frames per second in this time display window. And now of course if we go back up to the top of this, we can increase the size of the timecode. We can also change the position up to the center. So position this wherever you would like on the video. And now from here we'll go up to the opacity and we'll change the blending mode from normal to screen, and that is going to get rid of that ugly black box around the timecode. But the problem is we have these numbers at the start and at the very end of the video, so we want to crop these out just to make sure we've only got the middle two sets of numbers. So in Effects we'll search for Crop and we'll drop Crop on top of the transparent video, and we'll just pull the crop of the left over to remove those first set of numbers. So we have 43%, and we'll just change the right to 43% as well. And there you go. We've got the time code now counting up. So that looks really awesome. Of course, if you didn't want that first set of numbers, then all you would have to do is increase the crop on the left and you would just have this time code ticking up. But let's keep it to the two sets of numbers. So we'll pull this back down to 43%. And now from here, we need to make this count down because we're currently counting up. So in order to do this, we first have to nest the video. So select the video, select the transparent video, double click or right click, and we'll go up to nest. We can rename the nested composition to anything we like. So we'll call this timer. Nesting that video has meant that the black box around the timer has come back. So we need to change the blend mode back from normal to screen. Now from here, we'll click onto the timer nested composition. We'll go up to speed/duration, and in the speed/duration tab, we'll press reverse speed, press OK, and if we pull this back to the very beginning and we play this back, there you go. The timer is now counting down, and that is how you create a countdown effect inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the previous video if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next episode.